Good afternoon. I just finished potting up a bunch of plants to give to a local garden tour. This is something I do every year. Primarily, it's been maples because I get a ton showing up in my yard every year because I have two maple trees around my yard, one from my neighbor and one that we recently removed because it was slowly dying due to girdling. So last May, I potted them up in a video, and I had quite a few various sized ones to pot up. So I put some in their own pots, but most of them went into a trough of soil. I had intended to pot them up this winter while they were dormant so they could break dormancy in their own pots, but I didn't get around to it. So unfortunately, I did this today just a week before the local garden tour was going to be having its fundraising plant sale. And I ended up with 20, I believe. Some are two to a pot because the roots were too twined together. I also pulled up some asparagus fern and some spider plants to give away to that had taken root in my yard. So this is my haul to give away. The spider plants came from this clump that used to be under the maple tree we took out. They have really spread, and I was able to grab quite a few and plant them up. I just didn't want to grab anything without enough roots.